Why does the foundational economy matter? In many parts of Wales, the foundational economy isn't just part of the economy, it is the economy, providing thousands of jobs and making sure that everyone, no matter where they are in Wales, has access to what they need to live and thrive. And it isn't just about delivering services, it's about fairness, dignity, and making sure that everyone has the chance to live a good life in line with Wales's well-being goals. Now imagine living in a community where businesses and organisations didn't invest in people or places. Over time, even the strongest, most connected communities would begin to feel the storm. Not because people stopped caring, but because the everyday foundations that hold communities together were allowed to crumble. The foundational economy matters because it powers everyday life in Wales, providing good jobs, supporting strong communities, and helping us tackle big challenges like climate change and inequality. The goal? Fair work, thriving local businesses, greener choices, and a Wales where everyone can live well, no matter where they are. For more information, please visit gov.wales/foundational-economy.